Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson SV12. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the mains to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the motor housing. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the motor housing. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the motor housing away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be some resistance due to the clips holding it in place. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open if necessary. With the motor housing removed, you will now see the motor itself. Disconnect the motor's wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the connector. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. Next, remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Again, these screws are usually T15 Torx screws. Once the screws are out, lift the motor out of the housing. If you need a replacement motor, ensure you purchase one that is compatible with the Dyson SV12 model. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the inside of the motor housing. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place. Remember to reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place securely. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once everything is reassembled, carefully align the motor housing back onto the main body of the vacuum. Press down firmly to ensure it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws at the base of the motor housing to secure it. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the slots and pressing down until it clicks. Plug the vacuum back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.